Samsung OLED TV QN90F. Main features are: Samsung QN90F is actually a neo-QLED TV, not an OLED. It serves as Samsung's flagship 4K upper mid-range LCD television, acting as the direct upgrade to the prior QN90D generation. Backlight infrastructure features quantum mini LED technology paired with precise local dimming, utilizing 720 distinct zones on the mainstream 65-inch footprint. This approach generates immense peak brightness while keeping blooming to a minimum around bright text. Real-time upscaling, driven by the Neo-Quantum 4K AI Gen 3 processor. It relies on a multi-layered neural network layout to clean up low bitrate broadcasts, sports feeds, and legacy HD media into sharp 4K presentations. High Hertz PC and console gaming. Outfitted with 4 full-bandwidth HDMI 2.1 inputs, it upgrades its predecessor's ceiling by unlocking a native 165 Hz refresh rate at 4K alongside structural FreeSync Premium Pro VRR and Auto Low Latency Mode ALLM mechanics. HDR performance fully decodes HDR10+, HDR10, and HLG formats. Because it is built by Samsung, it does not natively support Dolby Vision processing. Integrated hub and sound features an internal 4.2.2 channel 60-watt speaker layout loaded with Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound, or OTS. It operates using the Samsung Tizen OS smart platform and doubles as a central Matter-enabled SmartThings smart home controller. The series spans a massive sizing matrix, addressing desktop setups all the way up to extreme home theater wall displays. Desktop small formats, 43-inch and 50-inch options. Living room standards, 55-inch, 65-inch, and 75-inch models. Grand scale displays, 85-inch, 98-inch, and massive 115-inch options.